Hello, YouTuber woobers. It is March 24th, about 11:12 a.m. I just thought I'd share this. You just gotta laugh about things. It's just there's just no other explanation. Last night's weather forecast was rain. It was supposed to be up in the close to 40 and raining. Yesterday I was out. I was doing a recording, helping somebody do another show, different show, and 40 degrees in Lee. And as I headed up the mountain to here, it dropped down to 30. It's just a comical thing. The weather. If you can't laugh about the weather, then there's nothing to laugh about. Happy, happy.